Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. In today's video, I'm going to be giving my kitchen a good old cleaning. I'm going to be cleaning and organizing as well. So I'm starting off with my icebox. I totally forgot that I had this egg organizer, so I wanted to go ahead and put my eggs in there. I had 3 extra eggs from a different carton, so I couldn't put the lid on this, but it's all good. I'll just leave the lid under the organizer for now until I use those 3 eggs up, which I'm sure I'll do soon. I do have a pack of tuna that I've been wanting to make, so I'll probably use them in that. Anyways, now I'm organizing my drinks. I've got some Honest Kids juice pouches. We got the apple flavor and the grape, and I'm putting a few water bottles in here as well. I have extra water bottles in the door, but I just want some up on the top shelf so that they're easy to grab, and I'm also organizing these ginger ales and a few Cokes. I actually have a huge pack of ginger ales that we got from Sam's. I'll be adding these to the icebox later, but unfortunately, they're still in the back of Alan's truck. I forgot to bring them up, and he's at work, so I'll have to wait till later to do that. I really need to go grocery shopping and get this icebox filled up. We got our groceries for the Christmas dinner, but Christmas isn't until Sunday, and I definitely need some food up in here, so I might have Alan run me to the store later, especially before this freeze hits, just so I can have some food in here and I won't have to go back out in the cold. Y'all, I am not looking forward to this cold weather that's coming. I hope it passes quickly, and I'm also praying that everyone is okay. I know last year it was pretty rough with the snow. It's not supposed to snow this week, but it's supposed to be colder than what us Texans are used to, I guess. So now I'm going to empty the dishwasher. I'm doing that off camera because I'm not trying to bore y'all. You probably don't want to watch me empty the dishwasher every cleaning video, so we're going to skip that. And now that I put all of my dishes away, I need to wipe off and clean these a little bit before I load the dishwasher with them. And then I'm going to wipe off my countertops, which are a total mess right now. There is fuzz and lint and God only knows what else sitting on there at the moment, so I'm going to wipe them all off good.
Apologies, holding back, I got history, yeah, but the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine, hoping you wouldn't change me, got the same old thoughts, be my referee, I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change, like I'm better.
So now that I'm done with my countertops, I need to vacuum and mop the kitchen floor, but first I'm going to wipe off the front of my stove, my icebox, and my dishwasher.
Kinda used to these battlegrounds, where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me, got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change.
For the floor, I'm using my wet vac. It's so easy to use, and it literally vacuums the floor while mopping it. I love this thing so much. It works great. going to clean out my spice cabinet. I'm just going to get rid of some things that I no longer use, or maybe they're expired, or even empty containers, because for some reason I'm good for that. I'm also going to be wiping off the shelves and just reorganizing everything in there. I'm actually deep cleaning my entire apartment today, but I'm only filming what I'm doing in the kitchen. Because of Christmas coming up, but not only because of Christmas, there is supposedly a freeze coming here, and I just want to make sure that everything is nice and clean in case family or someone needs to come over for whatever reason. Last year when the snow came in, a lot of people lost power except for us, so I just want to make sure, in case anyone needs a place to stay, that my home is clean and comfortable for others. And now that I'm done with that, I'm going to organize my little pantry cabinet. I already had it kind of organized, but I'm just going to reorganize it because it was getting kind of messy. So yeah, I'm just going to redo it and straighten everything up good so it looks nice and neat.
Picture perfect, underserving. Everything will probably go in and out of one thorn, and we break. Airborne as we face misconceptions, picture perfect, a balanced blend and some pretend. In and out, on and off.
So anyways, I want to say thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. And if you have anything to say, leave it down below in the comments, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!
So